My name is Amit Nair. It's been more than 3 years now with NNI Fitness. I'm the senior marketing manager here. I got to know about Airth, how can we collaborate. I imagined in the way we are actually heading towards, because we have ample units of ACs installed inside the gyms. We might have required around 9 or 10 air purifiers, and then if we just consider the cost of the investment, that would be huge. For us, it's a better way to invest in a way like, okay, let's just upgrade our ACs with these filters, and the purpose will get solved, because you don't have to invest much. It's just the filters, that's about it. When it comes to gym operations, we don't shut down the ACs for like during winters, but we have to keep it on sometimes, because there are people working out, they're sweating, sweating in the gym, and we have to just make sure that the minimum temperature which is required has been maintained, and hence we have to switch on the ACs. I have a personal experience. I have run a couple of marathons very lately, and then I ran a marathon in November at Ahmedabad next to the riverfront. Here in Delhi, I ran for 5 kilometers and I was totally exhausted. And there in Ahmedabad, I ran 10 kilometers and I was completely fine. And that was the trigger point which I got to know that how pollution impacts your performance. Especially when it comes to Delhi NCR, it's the need of the hour, because you know that you are actually breathing inside a smoke chamber. I don't know, that's the harsh reality. Since we have the solutions in place, like we can keep ourselves within the clean surrounding, why not?